Good morning, students. Sri Indra Ganesan Institute of Medical Science, School of Allied Health Science. I am Nitya, Assistant Professor of Allied Health Science in SIGIMS. Now we are going to the topic is leadership with ethics. What is leadership? Enabling groups of people to face challenges and achieve results in complex situations involves positive and creative works culture characterized by strong relationships with your colleagues, staff, trust, dedication and hard work and teamwork. That's all. So, the definition of leadership are systems of moral principles or values, the study of the general nature of morals and moral choices, the rules of conduct with ethics. Morals. The principles of right and wrong in relation to human behavior and character. Teaching the correct behavior, standard of right or just behavior, a perfect or general truth. What is the difference between ethics and morals? Morality refers to standard of behaviors by which people are judged. Ethics encompass the system of beliefs that support a particular view of morality. Norms. Written or unwritten laws, codes, regulations, customs, or standards created and maintained to control behavior constituting social order. Values, subjective evaluations of what one actually likes, esteems, desires, approves, enjoys, and regard as important. What is culture? A conceptual descriptor for shared norms and values. Then theories of moral, sets of assumption that test and determine right or wrong behaviors. Utilitarianism. What is utilitarianism? It is the one of the action do right or wrong, promotes happiness, should be guiding by principles like us increasing good things and decreasing bad things. That is the categorical imperative rule based. Immanuel Kant follow only principles that you want everyone else to follow. Fixed rules, obligation and duty. Act in a way that your action could become a universal standard. That's all. Ethics, care based, the golden rule. Test your behaviors by putting yourself in another circumstances, imagining how you would feel if you were the recipient rather than the perpetrator of your behaviors. Empathetic living. Then core values. First one, truth, loyalty, individual rights, community standard, short-term consequences, long-term consequences, justice, mercy. Situations or circumstances that involve choosing between equally powerful core values. Then, truth versus loyalty, individual versus community, short term versus long term, justice versus mercy. So, leadership moral. Students, it's clear what is moral, what is ethics, and what is leadership. I asked only two questions. What moral theory applies or inform the leader best how to decide and act? What core values are involved in the situation? So, discuss well. Do the people, circumstances, and culture provide silence to making a choice? Thank you, students. Any doubt? It's clear to me. Thank you, students, and thank you, our principal. Thank you, our institution. Thank you, my friends, and thank you to all.